Think about how you make decisions. Most of the time, you rely on System 1 thinking. It is fast and automatic. Then there is System 2, which is slow and analytical. The brain naturally avoids that hard work. In our digital world, we are bombarded with information. This causes mental fatigue. We stop looking for the best option and just choose the simplest visual one. There is a biological reason for this. When we find information that is easy to digest, our brain gives us a small hit of dopamine. It is a reward for not wasting energy. This is why an easy experience feels good. This is the power of visual fluency. If you use high contrast buttons and clean white space, you remove the visual noise that makes people skeptical. A clean layout signals that you are a professional organization. Consider the impact of font readability and symmetrical layouts. These details directly affect a user's perceived trust in your brand. A messy design raises a red flag. A clean design feels safe. When a user feels safe, their defensive barriers go down. Visual clarity lowers their guard. They are more open to your message because they don't feel threatened by chaos. Another key concept is priming. When people are repeatedly exposed to specific colors and symbols, it creates a sense of familiarity. This happens before you even make your pitch. There is a psychological phenomenon where we process familiar information as being more true. We believe what we recognize. This is why modern funnels use micro-commitments. Each small yes builds momentum until the final sale feels natural. You need to engineer the path of least resistance. We have shifted from lengthy forms to one-click checkouts. This removes friction and bypasses the critical thinking brain that might slow down the decision. This is achieved through progressive disclosure. You hide complex data until it is actually needed. This keeps the user from feeling overwhelmed. It is also helpful to use default options and pre-filled fields. This minimizes the physical and mental effort required to convert. Every click you save matters. However, we must remember the ethics of this approach. There is a thin line between helping the user and manipulating them. Dark patterns can trick people. Modern consumers are becoming aware of these shortcuts. To do this right, always ask if your design is transparent. Does it respect the user's autonomy? When you implement cognitive ease the right way, you maximize efficiency while maintaining trust and integrity. That is the winning combination. Please like, share, and subscribe.